Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide other players in Dress to Impress. So there's this new update on DTI where you can hide all of the other players while you are playing. So if you are feeling overwhelmed by the crowd in DTI and want a clean view for screenshot, filming, or just peace and quiet while you style, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide all the players instantly. So once you're in the lobby, you can just go straight to the settings. Click on this gear icon on the left side of your screen, and here there will be this option to hide players. You can hide all of them, or you can also hide specific. Let's just try the hide specific first. And here, if you click on the hide specific, you can hide only a certain players by clicking on this hide button like this and go back, and that specific or that certain players won't be shown in the lobby. But if you want to hide all, you can click on this gear icon again and choose hide. And when you go back in the lobby, as you guys can see, there is no one beside you in the lobby, so you can focus choosing your style for the outfit. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and comment your favorite DTI hack. Also click on the thanks. Bye.